The next is bypass OTP. You can just go here and activate this one. And once you'll activate this, you'll see an option here. Under this you will see collect voter details. Skip the OTP option. If you'll enable this, it won't ask OTP to voters. You can also set up a few things here if you want to send them out. Thank you. Email after vote submission to voters. You can just type the email subject and content here. And if you have SMS thing, you can just put the SMS text here to thank your voters. You can just do a few things here. If you want to translate a few buttons and text on the poll and voting contest, you can just do that here and click to save will get done. It will get translated. We'll talk about Twilio sender numbers. You have to buy Twilio sender number. You have to create a Twilio account. You have to just click on this link and create a Twilio account, and after that you'll get a Twilio number. You have to get an auth token. You have to get account that will be provided by video. If you want to make a default country like I'm here in India, it will be +91 for me. Once these settings will save, it will trigger SMS OTP to your voters. It's all about OTP-based voting. So here are few features that make your voting more unique and interesting. Hope you have enjoyed this video. You have enjoyed how the Epoll works. This is awesome, right? So, let's give it a try to Epoll 3.1 Pro. It's more than a voting and contest system. Stay connected with us. If you will see here over our store, we have more upcoming add-ons here which will give you 100+ new features with this version. Like if you want to pay per vote, if you are in Africa region, you can just opt for this. If you want to go international, you can go for PayPal, Stripe, Insta, or Mojo. We have a voter registration and login system, video and audio, photo voting contest, Instagram post profile contest, social media, log in for voters, poll by category, share regional to email live polls, polling and voting region, live polling add-on here which allows you to make live polling on your website. These are kinds of add-ons we have available on our Epoll store which you can buy anytime. We have 40+ announcements upcoming here. So, stay connected with us. If you have any doubts, you can just go to the How to Guide section and you will see all the docs here. If you have any queries, you can just create a support ticket or you can just ask our Epoll community.